is clearly a parrot. There are lots of parrots in Australia, so it's not surprising that some of them in the past should have found their way here. Most of these birds have still not learned that mammals are dangerous. This saddleback is a fully wild bird and certainly hasn't seen me before. But look how trusting it is. This is a New Zealand robin.
Sure think it's bigger than me, I don't know
The European robin, and if anything, it's even braver. The New Zealand bush is full of food of one kind or another. And as the birds once had it all to themselves, some were able to adopt diets and ways of life that elsewhere were claimed by mammals. The kokako eats much the same thing as squirrels, fruit and leaves and insects. European squirrels run along the branches. Asian squirrels, using a skinny parachute stretched between their legs, are able to glide as well. And that is very much how the kokako gets around in the trees.
Lovely sound.
Having glided down to the lower branches, it runs back up them and jumps from one to the other.
That's so agile going over that. I suspect that's how
So if the kokako up in the trees feeds in the same way as a squirrel might do, what lives and feeds like a mammal on the ground? The leaf litter in these forests is full